Infantry JC Philippine Army, Commandant, UST ROTC Unit.
Sir, I have the honor to present to you 490 male cadets and 360 female cadets for a total of 850 cadets who have completed the prescribed requirements for basic ROTC based on the program of instruction for school year 2012 to 2013. Respectfully recommend be declared graduates effective this date.
Wala pa. You're not yet officially declared graduates. Okay, anyway. By the authority vested in me as the Commandant of Cadets of the UST ROTC, I now declare you graduates, 850 cadets, effective this date. Palakpakan po natin na. Congratulations!
Congratulations to all of you basic cadets. Please be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, in a short while, we shall witness the presentation of awards. May we request the awardees to proceed to the center as your name will be called. And may we request our guest of foreign speaker, Dr. Roderick Tuazon, to help us in the distribution of awards, to be assisted by Colonel Jose C. Fosilio, Infantry JC Philippine Army, Reverend Father Ermito G. Desagon, the ROTC Regent,